Below are 17 platforms providing free money for various purposes, including food, medical expenses, travel funds, children's education, and pursuing life goals. Having spent the initial 30 years of my life in poverty, I often resorted to simple meals like potatoes or bread and milk due to financial constraints. Familiar with the challenges of financial hardship, I genuinely aspire that the websites I'm sharing will contribute to a positive financial transformation for you and your family. For more future videos, hit the subscribe button beneath this video. Let's dive in. The initial website is paytogo.com. Download their app from the App Store, and this platform compensates you up to $75 USD monthly for your regular walks. The service aims to inspire increased exercise and reduce driving, offering up to 10 cents per mile for outdoor walks and runs. It's an excellent way to stay active and earn. With a 4.5-star rating from 3,000 reviews, using this app not only provides a chance for free earnings, but also potentially boosts your motivation for increased productivity and a healthier lifestyle. The second website is named fundmytravel.com. Here, you can secure funds for your travel aspirations. Sign up, set up your campaign, and once it's live, users can find it on the main Fund My Travel page, allowing you to receive donations. As an illustration, I've conducted a search using the keyword Africa, revealing ongoing campaigns securing funding. You might wonder why individuals contribute money on this platform. The answer lies in the fact that numerous affluent individuals have both the financial means and the desire to contribute positively. If your campaign aligns with their values or passions, there's a chance they'll choose to support you. Success involves a mix of fortune and crafting a compelling, emotionally resonant message in your funding request. Below are additional instances of campaigns on Fund My Travel currently receiving financial support. The subsequent site on our list is befrugal.com, which focuses on cashbacks. No changes are required in your online shopping routine. Simply use BeFrugal for your online purchases and enjoy dual advantages. Referring to the frequently asked questions reveals that BeFrugal collaborates with over 5,000 retailers. BeFrugal serves as a customer acquisition channel for these retailers, earning a commission on new sales. Consequently, BeFrugal reimburses you with a share of the proceeds obtained from retailers. As an illustration, suppose you plan to purchase clothing. Navigate to the store section, opt for baby, kids, and toys, and then select Kwiko. The platform includes featured stores and additional options where you can avail cashbacks. If, for instance, you make a $100 purchase at Under Armour, you'll receive a 10% cashback, amounting to $10 that you wouldn't otherwise obtain. Once your balance accrues, access the payouts page. Choose your preferred payout method and initiate the payment request. Options for receiving payments include checks, direct deposits to a bank account, or through PayPal. Additional payout methods are also available. Moving down our lineup is Webull.com. I want to clarify that I have no association or affiliation with them whatsoever. However, if you're already involved in investments or share trading, it might be beneficial to explore Webull or similar stockbroking firms because they offer complementary stocks. The process is as follows. Upon registering and opening a new account, you can deposit funds and acquire 6 free stocks. Upon reviewing the terms and conditions, it becomes evident that during this promotional period, eligible customers can initiate an initial deposit of any sum into their qualified account. Once the deposit is settled, these eligible customers can then claim their free fractional shares, totaling 6 stocks at once. Here's the probability breakdown for receiving shares of varying values. You may obtain shares ranging from $3 to $3,000, with the likelihood favoring shares falling within the $3 to $10 per share bracket. However, there are opportunities to secure higher valued shares, reaching up to the $1,000 to $3,000 per share range. Consistently, I consulted Reddit to gauge the experiences of other individuals. Results vary, but everyone receives something. For instance, one individual received shares worth $9, another acquired a share valued at $220, someone else gained $80 worth, and another person obtained shares worth $40, and so forth. The following platform on our agenda is GoGetFunding. You can sign up and commence fundraising without any cost. Check out some of the inspiring success stories, such as an individual raising $1,000 Singaporean dollars for a short film, collecting $35,000 for a college fund, and securing additional funds for property fire damage. Current ongoing campaigns, along with their respective funding amounts, are showcased. The discovery process for individuals involves navigating to the website, searching for causes they're passionate about, and contributing to listings that resonate with them. If you have a noteworthy cause, it's certainly worth exploring. The subsequent site we're highlighting is justgiving.com. The website's motto, "Do something incredible today," is designed to engage individuals interested in spending money to make a positive impact. It aims to attract visitors to explore the platform, navigate through campaigns, and discover causes they wish to support. You have the option to submit your fundraising appeal on this site, hoping to draw in potential sponsors. Here's a glimpse of currently active campaigns, with updates occurring regularly. On this platform, you can initiate fundraising if you require financial support. Alternatively, if you wish to contribute, you can explore charities and discover commendable causes to donate to. Given my personal connection to health and medical issues, I might delve into the health and medical category to assess ongoing fundraisers. Take, for instance, the campaign focused on stroke and neurosciences, which successfully raised £43,000. Another noteworthy campaign involves an individual seeking funds for medical treatment and health costs, aiming to reach £100,000. Currently, they've secured £45,000. Listings like these can capture the attention of potential sponsors, searching for causes aligned with their passions. The subsequent platform we'll explore is missingmoney.com, an exceptionally thrilling website. This is an official platform backed by states and provinces in the United States. By inputting either your last or first name, you can check if there are any unclaimed funds designated for you. Let's test it out. I'll enter Mark Smith for a search. It appears there are numerous individuals with the same last name as mine in the United States. The search results reveal 137 unclaimed properties, with individuals being owed money from governmental entities, diverse sources, and various businesses. Several of these unclaimed amounts are relatively modest, falling below $25. However, there are also substantial sums ranging from $50 to $100 and exceeding $100. You can identify the entities responsible for these funds. For instance, the Department of Health owes Ina Kino more than $100, and it's uncertain. It could be a significant sum. All Ina needs to do is access this website and lay claim to the funds. Notably, the entities listed include PayPal, Carolina Manufacturing Services, Bank of America, Land Title Guarantee Company, along with a diverse array of businesses indebted to ordinary individuals. It merely requires a moment. Take a look. Perhaps you might be entitled to some funds. The subsequent site on our compilation is beggingmoney.com. Once you navigate to this site, head to the top, select Ask for Money, and follow the provided instructions. Avoid using Yahoo email addresses. Draft a minimum of 400 words elucidating your circumstances and generate your PayPal Me link. Complete all the details below, just beneath the Donation Request Submitted section. Individuals inclined to contribute will typically visit this section and press Donate. They will peruse all these entries, and you'll notice a PayPal address on each. If they resonate with the cause, they can opt to make a donation. Following on our compilation is the website known as GoFundMe. It caters to both individuals and businesses. The platform showcases ongoing successful fundraisers in your vicinity, such as gender-affirming surgery, a Tanzania mission trip, and donations to aid Ked and his family in reconstructing their home. To initiate a GoFundMe, you navigate to the top, click Start a GoFundMe, and complete the provided information. With numerous categories available, potential donors can select a cause that resonates with them. For instance, those inclined to contribute to individuals facing financial stress can explore the fundraisers in Australia, discovering the funds being raised. Following that is Indiegogo, a platform with a unique focus. It caters to individuals with innovative ideas seeking funding to bring those ideas to fruition. Those interested in investing in technology often explore Indiegogo to discover listed concepts. If your idea stands out and is compelling, potential investors may reach out to you, offering funding. Notable examples of funded ideas on Indiegogo include Ring One, recognized as the world's latest and most advanced smart ring, amassing $1.2 million. Another intriguing project is an open-top self-cleaning cat litter box, which secured $636,000 in funding. The platform features a variety of creative projects, such as a Sleep Buds, which garnered $3,530,000. $521 in support. Up next is Crowdfunder, an impressive platform that serves as a bridge between creators and independent businesses. Crowdfunder focuses specifically on supporting creators and artistic endeavors. If you are inclined towards the arts and in need of funding, this platform is tailored for you. Currently, there are several successful campaigns gaining substantial funding. A few examples include a deck of Dungeons and Treasures, deck-based procedural dungeon generator for RPGs, or a book, Return to Perinthos, a memorial book fundraiser in the memory of General Jaques. The subsequent entry on our list is a service or application known as Miles, compatible with both iPhone and Android devices. This app offers rewards for your mobility, whether you're walking, running, taking the bus, using public transport, or driving. Notably, it's highly regarded, boasting an impressive 58.8 thousand ratings and an almost perfect 5-star rating. To engage with the app, you simply download it, create an account, set location services to always, and, depending on your mode of transportation, accrue rewards in the form of miles. You can subsequently redeem those miles for various product categories as rewards. Although it's not direct cash, it's convenient because there's no need to alter your routine. This passive system will compensate you for your regular movements, offering the cash value in goods rather than monetary amounts. The following website is Fundly, catering to both individuals and charities, and providing a vast array of diverse causes listed to attract donors who visit the website to explore and contribute to various causes. Following that is Kickstarter, a renowned platform where numerous substantial projects have come to fruition with a total funding of $7.6 billion from investors to date. Kickstarter primarily emphasizes creative and software endeavors, with numerous computer games receiving funding through this platform. As an illustration, a current funding project is underway for a book, Battle for the Realm. They aimed for $2,000, and the total raised is $84,000. This highlights that if you possess a compelling idea that resonates with people's passion and support, funding resources are accessible. The effectiveness of this approach lies in the fact that individuals with ideas, such as Battle for the Realm, may be constrained by their day jobs, preventing them from realizing their ideas. Kickstarter enables them to secure the necessary funding, quit their job, and dedicate 1 or 2 years to their project without the financial pressure of supporting themselves or their family. Next, we have Fundable, which is inclined toward business concepts. If you have a business idea and seek funding, Fundable provides a suitable platform to showcase your project. For instance, an individual proposed the concept of Hive Tech Homes, ultimate defense against wildfires and wind. Another initiative features Uplift, representing the inaugural zero-lifting independent transfer system bridging bed and wheelchair. Continuing our list, we have Ulule.com. Once again, this platform caters more to businesses and supporting the initiation of business ideas. It stands as a substantial platform, boasting over 43,000 funded projects in Europe alone. Moving forward, we encounter Seed and Spark. This particular platform is tailored for individuals passionate about creative projects. It's a substantial website, having amassed over $54 million with an 82% success rate. Those interested in funding creative endeavors often explore this site, navigate to fund a project, and peruse the films. They can view projects in need of funding, many of which are on the verge of reaching their funding goals or have already surpassed them. The objective of my channel is to assist you in building a more secure financial future for both yourself and your family. For additional content like this in the future, please subscribe to my channel located just beneath this video. Your time spent watching this video is genuinely valued. I suggest you to watch my last video, called How I Made $40,000 Plus in Affiliate Earnings with this instant traffic free tool. Wishing you all the best, and I look forward to seeing you there.